Frustrated by the Zipfldr.dll DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before we walk through the Zipfldr module troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Zipfldr module, the Windows compressed folders library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of zip file integration within File Explorer, facilitating the visual manifest for archive data links. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Zipfldr.dll. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Zipfldr module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Zipfldr module DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Zipfldr module. To support our technical team and receive updates on Zipfldr module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.